All right, guys. Good morning. Professor Rajam Kamath here from RK Finance classes. Uh, there has been an announcement coming from the CF Institute. Actually, it's a neutral announcement, neither positive. Actually, little bit positive. Actually, for two guys. I mean, from two guys on the opposite side of fence. It is positive from both of them. One are those guys who, for some reasons, were underprepared. I don't really understand the reason why they were unprepared, but okay, for whatever reasons they were underprepared, and they would genuinely wanted that I want to shift from Feb to May. They had asked me, like students from three four students had asked me, sir, is it possible? And my answer was no, CF Institute doesn't allow a deferral. Then there was a little bit of confusion ki there was something called as reschedulement fees of $25, and I had mentioned it, I had clarified it, that is only from shifting from one February date to another February date, or one May date to another May date. Shifting from February to May, which is called as a deferral from February to May, was possible only in some extraordinary life-threatening cases. And this particular case of February, they have considered that genuinely for all guys who are taking a February exam, they have considered this threat of corona as a life-threatening case. Earlier, they had mentioned that if you had got a corona in the 60 days before your exam, then you will be allowed a deferral. Or if you have some life-threatening disease, then you'll be allowed a deferral. But a mere threat that if I go to center and I can catch a corona, and hence I don't want to take a February exam, that was not being considered for a deferral earlier till yesterday. So I don't have a corona, but I feel if I go to the center and I catch a corona, then shall I blame CF Institute? So this kind of a fear was not being entertained. And now today morning, so the mail that everyone would have got it confirms that if you want, you can shift your February exam to May, August, or November, whichever exam you want. That does not mean that those students who are well prepared need to worry. I repeat, that does not mean that those students who are well prepared need to worry. As I said earlier, that this particular mail is a win-win situation for both guys. Underprepared guys now would have been given a complete kind of a direct option कि कर लो exam defer वाला option. First, I would be discussing with you guys ki some of you who wanted to explore that ki why you were unprepared. I mean, instead of telling me, you ask yourself ki why you were unprepared. I mean, especially June guys telling me that I'm unprepared of February. This is absolutely unprofessional and unacceptable. If you were a June guy and you were not prepared, and February date was chosen by you, by the way. No one forced you to took a February date. February date was chosen by you in the month of October. So if you are unprepared, you know whom to blame. I mean, June guys not able to prepare for February exam, nothing can be said about it. Frankly, I'm being blunt about it. It may hurt someone's feeling, fine, but I have to be blunt about it. And in June guys complaining, sir, February may have not prepared. First, there was extra 8 months to prepare for that exam. Second, you chose the February because you wanted to finish this course earlier, and now for XYZ reason, I'm not worried about the reasons. I'm worried about the I'm just I'm inclined about the final outcome. December exam also got postponed to February, so you got 2 additional months. So even December guys complaining, sir, ki time nahi mil raha, etc. is all bullshit. I mean, you chose February. I mean, December exam got cancelled in on 7th of October. On 7th of October, you chose February. So 7th of October तक time था. And अचानक अभी time चला गया. I mean, how did it happen? So anyways, now this discussion is not right now towards expressing my anger or kind of not being happy with those students who wanted to defer for February exam. Anyways, I'm just being blunt. Might have hurt your feelings, and I don't know. I'm okay. I'm sorry about it. But February exam was chosen by you. So if you're not prepared for February exam, you yourself have to blame yourself. I mean, there's no one else because you chose in the month of October or February exam. Now you have been lucky that February exam made there is a deferral option. So if you believe that if you are genuinely not prepared for whatever reasons, select the exam date carefully. This option will not be available again. I repeat, select the exam date carefully. The mistake that you did in October of hurrying up for a February exam and now realizing in January I'm not prepared, this kind of a thing will not be accepted by CF Institute ever again. So this is the time where you have to think properly. Can I take a February exam, or why I mean, I was just that it was anxiousness which was catching me. I was prepared, but it was anxiousness which was catching me, or genuinely for XYZ reason I was not prepared. Whatever it is, you have to think, okay, if I'm going to defer a February exam, which exam am I going to take? I'm going to take May, August, or November exam. I'll put you the dates of the May, August, and November. I think May is okay. I'll just talk about the dates right now. Farzin had asked me about the dates. So May is 18th to 24th May. So I mean, some of your final year students' ka exam may clash on that date. So you have to watch out for that date. They may expand this window also. On 2nd February mail, you may get a thing to expand this also. If I talk about the August 21 is 24 to 30th August. And if I talk about November, it's 16 to 22nd November. So the point over here is that you have only one option right now, and you don't need to hurry up for that option, because as I said, August and November ka deadlines are easily available. August and November ka centers are easily available. May ke liye also they have open new centers. And frankly, I don't see many of the Feb 21 candidates shifting to May. Okay, I don't believe that. Maybe 10-20% will shift, but not more than that will shift to May. And now that 10-20% would be easily accommodated with 3 new centers open. One is BKC mein they open one center. Lower Parel mein they open British Councillors Academy and Father Agnes Washi. So with 3 more centers along with Xavier's and Xavier's Mahim and Pillai Panvel, with 5 centers, I believe that 10-20% guys who are going to shift, they will be easily accommodated. So you don't need to hurry up. In case you want to gonna defer to May, you don't need to hurry up to register for May. This would be the last chance. They henceforth that unprepared, I want to defer, I'm feeling nervous, etc. would be bullshit. This would be your last chance to understand that time is money. Okay. On the other hand, if I talk to those guys who were genuinely preparing, you absolutely don't need to worry. There is a win situation over here also, that they haven't cancelled the February exam at all. This is absolutely a neutral to positive mail for you guys. They haven't cancelled February exam at all. In fact, they have, if you read the mail properly, in fact, they have mentioned that in case your center gets cancelled, we are working on online proctoring, which is an awesome development from CF Institute. I was always of the opinion that they should make it online proctoring, as the other exams are like ACC exam and other exams are going for online proctoring. they should think about online proctoring, and they, on the same lines, they are thinking about online proctoring. So for your February exam, still there is around 35 days still. And I believe in the 35 days that online proctoring that they're exploring could be worked out. They mentioned that in mainland China, that dash 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 star 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 वाला country, they will not be able to do online proctoring, and वहाँ पे तो exam भी नहीं होना चाहिए मेरे ख्याल से. That's my personal opinion. Online proctoring छोड़ दो. Anyways, that's my personal opinion about China. But I'm just saying कि even if the exam happens to cancel in India, still they are exploring about online proctoring. My view, will exam be cancelled in India? Absolutely 0.01% chance. 99.99% it is going to happen in India. And I gave you my pointers also, which if you want, I can send that link again, why I believe the 99.99% February exam is going to happen in India. At one center, at one particular point of time, there will not be not more than 100 students. And that too, I mean, 100 students in a college can be easily accommodated in socially distance environment. Foreign people will not be coming that much. When CF Institute exam was to be conducted on a one day, there were like guys coming from US to monitor the exam. Now with online digital exam happening at a particular center, this kind of thing will not be required. And most importantly, at that center, the exam of the CAT did happen. Sorry, I think CAT didn't happen at Prometric, but the GRE and GMAT is happening at that centers. So those centers are running. CFA exam would be happening at that center. So there's absolutely nothing. Actually, there's some extra layer of cushion that they have added, that suppose because of lockdown or something, those centers in the month of February are closed, then don't worry, you will be allowed to take online exam if they online proctoring. I hope you know what is online proctoring. Online proctoring means your webcam would be on during the time when you're taking the exam, and there will be a proctor will be online monitoring you, that you're not cheating, etc. So basically that is an extra layer of cushion that is given. So first of all, I believe कि India में exam cancel होने का chance is very less. I'm going to that extreme and saying 0.01% chance of exam being cancelled. And even if the exam is cancelled, I mean, even if there is a lockdown because of which you're not able to go out, if the second wave hits India, etc. अभी तो नहीं लग रहा है कि around सिर्फ 2,10,000 cases है, and if the situation improvises, then no problem. But if the situation gets worsen, and if there's a lockdown, still you don't need to worry, because probably they will be working out on the online proctoring. So if you are preparing well for the exam, if you're prepared well, then absolutely nothing to worry. Your preparation should continue as it is, and you should be very happy that exam is going to happen with an extra layer of cushion. In case of a lockdown, your exam will be happening online with online proctoring. If you are unprepared, first blame yourself why you are unprepared, because exam date was chosen by you. No one forced February exam on you, and you were casual. So I mean, talk to yourself in the mirror. You will get to know. But now you should be a little bit happy that yes, there is a ray of hope now to save your $1,150 of money, to transfer it to May, August, or November. But choosing May, August, or November, take your time. I had shown you the dates. I'll show you the dates one more time. This is the date for November. These are the dates for August. And these are the dates for the May. And they may, I said earlier also, they probably could expand these dates also to accommodate the new candidates who might be shifting from February to May. They have given an option of refund also now to those guys who were जिनका exams 2 बार cancel हुआ. So for example, June got cancelled, then I took December, and now December got cancelled, I took February, and possibly now if I want, I can consider that February, they have considered to cancel the February attempt if you want. So in that case, I can opt for a refund. The email regarding that will come on 2nd February. Why 2nd February? They have been very diplomatic, and I would say they have been very cunning with the 2nd February. I'll tell you the reason why they have been so cunning with 2nd February. In our class, Priyan and Jenish were kind of unlucky. Can you guess the reason why Priyan and Jenish were unlucky? They know, obviously they know. They were unlucky because they had registered for December 20 exam at a higher fees, $1,450 fees. And they had registered it around in the first week of August, if I am correct. And at that time, the February exam was available at $1,150. But Priyan and Jenish had registered for the December exam for $1,450. Now, I was just thinking that those guys, I think some in our batch, actually for June batch also, some of us, anyone in June batch who had paid worth $1,450 of fees for the June exam. I don't recollect many. So in case you have paid $1,450 of fees for the exam, I was thinking, is there a ray of hope? But then I realized how cunning the CFA Institute has been by giving this deferral option on 2nd February, which happens to be the last date for early registration for August exam. So if you happen to opt for a refund for your Feb exam, then if you want to go for a lower fees, you will be able to directly go for a November exam, because August exam ka early deadline would be over. So if you really want to, like Jenish and Priyan and those who want to save the $300 of fees, I think so they will not be very eager to know this, that if you want to save your fees, then you can offer a refund and then go for a November exam. I don't think so they would be interested in that kind of a case. And that's the reason strategically or cunningly, the CFA has put that deadline as 2nd February. Probably that could have been put, the refund card deadline could have been put on 1st February, then these guys could have gone for August exam with $1,150 of fees. CFA Institute is one step ahead of us. They thought about it, and that deliberately they're putting a refund option at 2nd February. Okay, so cutting the long story short, this mail is absolutely a nothing mail. If we want to consider, then I'm talking about those guys who are prepared well. And I hope the entire batch, almost at least 95% of my batch, is in that category of preparing well for the exam. So if you're preparing well for the exam, then this mail is a nothing mail. To be specific, this is a little positive mail with online proctoring being considered. This mail has been mentioned for the Europe and the US kind of countries where the situation has started becoming worse. Indian government, generally I'm negative about Indian government, but this time I'm very positive about Indian government, and they are doing absolutely fantastic job. There are certain foreign relatives, etc., who wanted to of ours who wanted to come to India from Germany and UK. So UK का तो flights has been like halted, and Germany से भी they once if someone comes from Germany etc. to India, they put it to institutional quarantine even if your corona test is negative. So first they take a corona test at airport, and even after the corona test is found negative, still 5 days of institutional quarantine even if your corona test is negative. And I mean, I really need to appreciate this step of Indian government to be so cautious, uh, to not allow the new strain to hit India, which is commendable. And if that happens, then the new strain won't affect India and the February exam will happen as it is. And even if it affects, with online proctoring, you can take the exam from home. So February exam would happen as per plans. If you're well prepared for it, no need to worry, keep preparing. And if you aren't well prepared for it, number one thing I told you, I mean, speak in the mirror to yourself. What did happen? Why are you not unprepared for it? You had a lot of time. You might be knowing about that story of a rat put in a bowl of rice. Don't let that happen again, please. This is a golden opportunity that you have got to shift it from February to the any exam of your choice, May, August, and November. First, you do introspection. Ki what led you to come to this decision that you have to defer? And second, now if you have to defer, second thing, this situation should not happen again, and choose the exam date wisely. All right. So this was the message which I wanted to communicate. All right. Thank you so much.